Definitely, we are very hopeful. I'm really excited about this tournament. We are on number 8, so we have nothing. We have nothing to lose. So that's why I told the players just play your natural game. Recently, we played a good series in West Indies. It's very tough series for us, but our players performing really well in all departments of batting or bowling or fielding. So we are very hopeful to perform this tournament. We are here to play a positive cricket and just free cricket. We played against India. We played against South Africa and Sri Lanka. So we are focused one by one match. Tomorrow we are played against Bangladesh. So we are hopeful we win this tournament. So definitely we will good confidence win in Champions Trophy starting matches.